Well, hey guys, it's Summer with Summer Sweet Shop. I am so excited about Thanksgiving. I look forward to Thanksgiving all year round. And one of the things that I love about Thanksgiving is just having all of the family around, all of the kids, and all the food, of course. And you always need something for those kids to keep them busy at the Thanksgiving table. And so that's why today I'm going to show you how to make some paint your own Thanksgiving turkeys. I'm going to show you how to package them up and what to do. So, further ado, let's go ahead and first you want to outline and flood your white cookie. So you're going to do a white base on this and you're going to outline and flood it in your white. You want to make sure that it is completely dry before you get started. Today I am using my sugar cookie recipe to make my cookie and my royal icing recipe, which you can find both of the recipes on my website and my Cookie Academy, which is my beginner's online course. So you can check the description below to see that. But let's go ahead and make our cookie. You want to make sure that this is completely dry, that it has had at least 8 to 10 hours to dry, because you're going to put pressure on this cookie and you don't want it to dent in, trust me. Then you're going to take your stencil. This is my Paint Your Own Turkey Stencil from Cookie Countess. I've got him here in my stencil genie that's going to keep it in place. And I'm just going to lay it right here on top of my cookie. I have the position where I'm going to put my thumb here for the position. And then I've got a scraper here that is really great to use. And I'm just going to take my outline icing, that's my black, and just go all along here. So you want to make sure you're using thick icing for this. All right, and so I'm going to hold the stencil down right here at his feet. And I'm going to start to scrape all along. So you want to make sure that you cover him really well. I'm going to have to add a little bit more icing. And you don't want to move your stencil before you are done. And you're just going to scrape. And again, you're using your thicker icing for this. And then you're just going, once you've covered the whole thing, you kind of want to do a pass through and kind of scrape any excess off, okay? You're going to do that. You're going to put your scraper to the side, and then you're going to gently pull up, and then you're going to have your beautiful turkey that you can color. You can totally watercolor him. This is so much fun. Kids love this. Adults love this. You can get these fun edible paint palettes from the Cookie Countess as well. And all you do is you take your little sheet and you're going to dip your paintbrush in water, and you're going to color in you're just going to mix your water with some of your paint on your brush, and you're going to make your adorable turkey cookie. So a great way to package these up once you have done all of them is you got your cookie in here in a 5x7 bag. I've got my paint palette here on the back with my paintbrush for all the kiddos. And then I'm just tied it with a pre-tied bow from Nashville Wraps. And then you are ready to go. These are great little place cards for the Thanksgiving table, for the kids' table. It's going to keep them busy and keep them out of your hair while you're making your Thanksgiving lunch. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you enjoyed learning how to do your paint your own cookies. If you have questions, please let me know. But thank you for joining me. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can just hit the button below so that you get notified when any of my new videos drop. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.